In this video, we will see how to safely assemble the MSafe Z-type aluminum scaffolding with a tower height of 7.2 meters. First, take the 7-rung push-on frame and 7-rung entry frame and attach the 200 mm adjustable wheels to both of them. The frame height is 2 meters and the gap between the rungs is 280 mm. To fix the frame, install horizontal braces on both sides. Install a stairway to allow workers to safely climb up and down the scaffolding. It is important to check the water level to ensure that the tower is on an even surface. Lock the wheels to keep the tower stable in one place. To prevent scaffolding from oscillating or swinging, attach diagonal braces. Next, for assembling the second floor, attach push-on frames on both sides and lock them to secure the frame. Install a stairway and lock it to provide easy access for workers to climb the scaffolding. Attach diagonal braces on second floor as well. To make the scaffolding even safer and more secure, add outrigger triangular stabilizers on the upper side. Install a handrail along with the stairway on the first floor. When assembling the tower, it is essential for workers to wear a safety harness which they can lock in onto the tower while assembling as shown in the video. Then, to build another floor on top of the second floor, attach push-on frames on both sides and lock them securely. Install a stairway and lock it. Attach a diagonal brace on this floor as well. Install a handrail along with the stairway on the second floor as well. Place a plain platform at the top and also attach a hinged platform that can be fully opened to allow workers to access the top. Now attach two guardrail frames at the top and lock them securely on both sides. Finally, install two guardrails on these guardrail frames to ensure safety even when working at the edges. Lastly, attach toe boards on all sides to prevent tools placed on the platform from falling down while working. And that's how we can assemble the MSafe Z-type aluminum scaffolding safely. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell button next to it so that you can receive notifications for upcoming videos.